Welcome back. I have our very own Mr. Bork to thank for sharing this picture with me near Talent this afternoon. If you look off in the distance, you can see a lot of fog in the higher terrain. And across Medford and Ashland this afternoon, we did have thick fog in the foothills, and that's because of the recent rain in the last 24 hours. When the grounds are saturated, it's a lot easier for fog to develop. So along the coastline, expect fog in through the next several mornings, thick fog, and in the valleys we could see fog the next several mornings as well, due to that rain that we have been seeing. Here's a look at the Stormwatch 12 satellite and radar. Notice a lot of clouds streaming in from the south, but the thickest clouds are beginning to move further north, and it's beginning to let up just a little bit over southern portions of our viewing area. We are still seeing thunderstorms out there, and there is a lot of lightning associated with this line of storms that's now moving in across the Cascades. It moved in from the south. Most of these storms are moving fairly quickly, and you saw that on the radar, but they're still dropping a lot of rain. They're rain producers. We have a lot of moisture in the air, and that's allowing for a lot of rain to fall from these systems. So a lot of lightning associated with this complex of storms. It's likely now moving across the Cascades, and that higher terrain sometimes will help to enhance these storms. They're going to continue moving east, so Klamath Falls and Chiloquin, you will continue to see showers and thunderstorms over the next hour or so at least. They'll begin to diminish as that sun sets, and after midnight we should see a lot more quiet activity across the viewing area. Here are some of the 24-hour rain totals. Near Williams, over half an inch of rain. Just under half an inch of rain near Crater Lake. Ashland seeing just under half an inch of rain as well. Medford, almost 4/10 of an inch of rain. This is actually a precipitation record for the day today in Medford. It was from 1954, that record of 24/100 of an inch, and we easily surpassed that. Lake Creek reporting 38/100 of an inch, and North Bend seeing 2/10 of an inch of rain this afternoon. Here are the high temperatures from today: 65 near Brookings, 64 near Crescent City, 77 near Mount Shasta. The mid-70s for highs near Medford, 72 near Klamath Falls. It really was a chilly day. Now, these temperatures aren't too cool, but compared to the hot temperatures that we're used to, it really is kind of feeling like fall out there. 78 near Grants Pass, 62 for that high near Crater Lake, 84 near Eagle Point, 72 near Evans Creek, 78 near Central Point this afternoon. This is what we're dealing with right now, that jet stream dipping to our south. This is what we call a long wave trough. It's off to our west. Scattered thunderstorms and showers beginning to wrap up this evening due to this area of low pressure. We're going to continue seeing a series of disturbances moving in from our west over the next several days, really just impacting the coastline in terms of cloud cover and very light precipitation. Inland areas, you're going to be seeing a mix of sun and clouds as we head into this next work week. This closed low is just going to hang out off to our west, possibly bring some wet weather into next weekend, but overall a quiet week ahead for inland areas. Thunderstorms in the vicinity right now in Medford, temperatures in the mid-70s, that wind out of the northwest at 3 miles an hour, 60 right now near Klamath Falls. Seeing thunderstorms in the vicinity as well. Showers, I think, for west side areas and isolated thunderstorms over Siskiyou County and the east side. Some light drizzle possible tomorrow along the coast, mostly cloudy conditions and some fog in the morning. Breezy in the mountains, a mix of sun and clouds here for your Monday. In the basin, gradual clearing, mostly sunny into midday and in the afternoon. Siskiyou County, morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. And in the Rogue Valley, we are expecting a partly sunny day, still seeing cool temperatures, but there is warming in the near future. Along the coast, fog through the next several mornings, and also that chance for light precipitation through a good portion of the week. In the basin, mostly sunny through much of our week, quiet weather and warming temperatures towards Wednesday. In the Rogue Valley, temperatures climbing into the upper 80s, more seasonal temperatures by the middle of the week, partly sunny conditions through Friday.